It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
I love Smartfood.
I love Smartfood.
Loves buffalo, as you've seen with some of the chips that we've tried. What do you think? How is this gonna taste?
Good.
Yeah, all right, let's open them up and find out. There it is. You ready to give it a try?
Popcorn?
It says it's hot buffalo. No, not good.
It's spicy.
It smells really bad.
Could I try some? It's really spicy.
What is it?
At first it kind of tastes like ranch.
What type is it?
Buffalo.
Are you crying there, Colin?
No.
What's the matter?
Those are very spicy. That's what. Or is it bad?
It's delicious.
Ew. Ew.
Is it as good as the buffalo chips that you've had?
No. Those are Kettle Brand. And the Kettle Brand chips are just delicious on their own. So they have buffalo chicken kettle chips.
Would you buy this again, or would you stick with regular Smartfood?
I'd buy it. I'd buy it mainly because the kids wouldn't want to eat it.
Could I have some more? Mom, I want ketchup!
You want more? You were just crying over the first one.
I don't. It's kind of spicy.
It's
so
delicious.
It's spicy.
Give me.
You think it's good, James?
Yeah, I think it's
but
pretty
Really
good.
spicy.
Do you prefer this kind or the regular cheese?
Regular.
This type. I would prefer regular cheese, but this is pretty good.
So Dad's wrong that if he buys it, the kids will stay out of it.
I'll just have to hide it then.
Are you gonna eat more of this popcorn?
No.
Why?
Because it is totally spicy.
Yeah?
I give it a thumbs up. A mouth-watering popcorn. I think it's more of a mouth-watering.
It's mostly thumbs up. I guess if you like spicy, don't buy this stuff.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.